Another thing I did is change these hydraulic struts here. They were both bad when I got the car. They're pretty easy to change. What you do is you just pop, get a little screwdriver, pop these clips off on both ends. Put the new ones in. Okay, to remove the OEM hood strut, what you want to do is you want to get a small, medium, not the smallest one you can find, but fairly small flathead screwdriver, and you want to stick it in between this clip and the plastic piece here, and you're going to apply some pressure here with your hand, and you're going to not do that. You're going to get this up in here, and then you're going to pull out. It's going to come right out for you. And we're going to apply the same process to the other end. Okay. So you see what I did there? I put the, well, that just came right off. Put the flathead under that clip there, and it comes right out. And then you push to the left. It should just come right out. These are pretty easy to take off. And if you buy the right ones off eBay, they're pretty easy to put on. But I mean, the OEM ones cost about $70, $80, and I didn't want to spend that much. And you know, who would? These are just hood struts. They shouldn't cost $70, $80. That's just, yeah, this is a 15-year-old car, and this is my daily. I'm not trying to dump a bunch of money into it, especially on hood struts. So hopefully these ones I put in will hold up, but we'll see. They literally look the exact same as the OEM ones. So, you know, what failed was the hydraulic strut, not the clips. So this is my second set of replacement hood struts. And these ones were a few dollars more, and they're pretty much exactly like the OEM type ones I've taken out. They have these little circular knobs on each side, and I found a trick to try to get you to be able to see that. We're also going to rip this this liner out here before it starts a fire. You know, some things you can buy off eBay, and they're, you know, they work right away. Some things like this, you just have to spend a little bit more money. So what we're trying to do is put this into that, and you want the hydraulic part down below. That's the way it's installed from the factory, and that's the way you want to put it. So let's give this a try. And again, I stuck a smaller flathead screwdriver in each side in order to open these tabs here, slide them on, and then once I get it on, I will just remove the flathead screwdriver. So let's give this a try. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do this with one hand, but we'll see. So we did get that one on, and it is not going anywhere. And this screwdriver, I know, is in there a lot more. So hopefully I can put this up just a tad and turn this. This one on. We'll see what we can do. And there we go, guys. So all we're going to do, we're going to apply some pressure onto the hood and remove that. That's it. That's not going anywhere. Okay, so again, we're going to put in the end with the strut towards the bottom. Right here. And it should just pop right in, like so. And you're going to remove the screwdriver, and it's good to go. Okay, so let's try to get the other one here without getting the screwdriver out. So again, we're going to apply pressure to the hood just a tad, just so we can get this in. Attempt to not have the screwdriver come out. There we go. So that is not going anywhere. These, from what I can tell, and I'll give you a review in a later video, but these are not going to go anywhere. These are literally just like the OEM ones. Like it did from the factory. So there you go, guys. Little lesson, don't cheap out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it and it helped you out. Peace out. So that just goes to show you that some items you can get on eBay, you can get them cheaper, you know, and they're just not going to be the best quality. I only paid $4 more for these ones, and they're basically the same as the OEM ones. They're basically identical. The first ones I purchased were not, and these clips right here, they were very cheap and they were extremely hard to maneuver in here. And you know, maybe if I would have applied this trick, they might have worked, but who really knows. But in my opinion, it's worth just spending $4 more and just getting these ones. I'll link to these in the subscription. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.